Hi everybody, I'm working on the enhancement of the Google Spreadsheet connector tools for the Salesforce. So time is very less, so I'm gonna explain, not going to explain every functionality. So I first requirement was to create a say like first logout window. We need to remove that logout option. Well, if I click on the logout, firstly, previous time what was happening like Salesforce tab has been gone from the sheet. Now we are not removing the Salesforce tab. It's still there, but we are now landing on the welcome page. If I click on the login, it will ask me the credential like that to connect through the Google. Okay, click on the login page. Okay. Okay. It will authenticate through the secret ID, consumer identity, consumer key. Once authenticated, you can close this window, and after that, you will see that this tab over there, and you can see all the queries over there. So what you need to do, if for mock data, I want to see the mock data result here. Like if we click on the pull reports, pull in progress, you will see the gen point test. Why you will see like that? Because in the setting I have project property set the user property runtime is equal to test. So we are not hitting any API of the Salesforce. So it will reduce the API limit. So if you will remove this setting, like if I remove this setting, change the value like 1 3, save it. Okay, now what we will do, we will actually hit the API and we will retrieve the original data. Okay, let me pull records. You will see gen point. Now we are hitting actually the original data again. So this was the requirement for the how to set mock. Like they said that we need to create a mock library. Okay, and the second requirement I have already explained. Like if you select on the reports, okay, I think this requirement is already explained in the other video, so I missed the one requirement, so I explained in this video. Okay, let me show you. If you choose a report to be run asynchronously, what like for asynchronously we have done more than half work. Like we have set up all the report metadata API, everything, but still missing like due to shortage of time. We have idea like what we will do. We will create once user will click on this, we will create a sheet. In sheet we will record, we will record the link which it will means when the asynchronous report will run, the link will give some values. Like if it returns success, then okay, we will say that okay, we will go, we will like we will get the report data. If in sheet we will click on a button and we don't get a success, then we will leave it as it is. So this is our idea. It will take some like we need to work on one day, because we have to implement everything from the scratch in that window, in that class. So if you don't click on the reports and don't click on the asynchronous mode, then everything will be fine. So this was the major concerns. Rest of all the functionality have been achieved successfully, like mock data, everything. Like if you will select on the folder or whatever, all the functionality has been achieved. Only the one functionality was remaining, like only the half functionality. Like we need to select the mode of the report. We have a good idea, means we can do successfully run the we can run successfully asynchronous report. Okay, this two requirement I have mentioned in, and the rest of the requirement like how the if user remove the session key and whatever for the login process I have given in the detail in the other videos. Okay, thank you, guys.